Today we're learning how to find slope from a graph. Slope tells us how a line moves. It tells us how much the line goes up or down every time we move left or right. Another way to say this is slope equals rise over run. Rise means up or down. Run means left or right. Now let's look at a graph. When finding slope from a graph, we always follow the same steps. In this example, the line is going up, so we already know the slope will be positive. Step 1, pick 2 points on the line. Step 2, always start at the left point. Step 3, count the run by moving left to right. Here the run is 3 units to the right. Step 4, now count the rise by moving up or down. The line goes up 2 units. Step 5, slope equals rise over run. That gives us 2 over 3. This means the line goes up 2 units for every 3 units to the right. In this example, the line goes down as we move to the right. That tells us the slope will be negative. Again, we start by picking 2 points. We count the run first. This time, the run is 4 units to the right. Now we count the rise. The line goes down 2 units, so the rise is negative. Slope equals negative 2 over 4, which simplifies to negative 1/2. A negative slope means the line falls as x increases. Let's take a look at this example together. Read the explanations on the screen and follow along as the steps are shown. Let's review the slope checklist. First, pick 2 points. Second, count the run from left to right. Third, count the rise up or down. Fourth, write slope as rise over run. Lines going up have positive slope. Lines going down have negative slope. If you follow these steps every time, you will always find the slope correctly on a graph. A table is just a list of points. Each row gives an x value and a y value, which makes a point. To find slope, pick any 2 rows. Use the formula y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Subtract the y values, subtract the x values, then simplify. This example will show the process clearly from start to finish. Pay attention to the written explanations as each step appears on the screen. Pause the video and try solving these examples independently. Then press play to watch the complete solution unfold step by step on the screen. The slope stays the same for the whole table. If the slope stays the same each time, the table represents a straight line. You've got it. To find slope from 2 points, start by labeling the first point as x1, y1, and the second point as x2, y2. Slope tells how much y changes when x moves right. Use the formula m equals y2 minus y1 over x2 minus x1. Subtract carefully. Go ahead and pause the screen and work through these examples first. Then hit play and follow along as the steps are shown clearly on the screen so you can compare your work.